Hey, hey Chris. Yeah. Yeah. Like previously, I wasn't kind of take a video myself though. I forgot to update you, future self. Yeah. I have been a large amount of sleep just for today, like maybe 5 days for that, and I kind of feel the hallucination in my head right now. So I need to take that sleep. So like, when I got home, it was 6. Now I sleep right to the bed, and of course I take my dinner also. My very earliest dinner at 6. Usually I go dinner at 7 to 8, but it's 6, so it's kind of very early, and my body is cannot adapt to the changes because I already sleep at 2 or 4 a.m. Like I spend all night already. But well, since I get over it, and my body doesn't used to it. Um, I feel a really big headache, and I didn't know that it was a rush morning. Didn't know, but at least I studied for some case, and I did well. And I didn't know that I could answer some of the points, but I'm a, I am majority passed by my expectation. And I do I have big plans for next week, like starting a business, like all the stuff that I wanted, but it kind of backlogged a bit more. I kind of realized that there, there are so many things that I don't need to, I don't know, encounter or experience yet because I really want to experience that. Yeah, and maybe I could find ways on myself. Um, I don't know how do I plan this for myself. It's kind of hard, but it's gonna be all right. And we are gonna be staying strong ourselves. Need to study. Prioritize my study first before I go into the business because that's all that my I don't know the ones who support me focus for me into. So I need to dedicate because I need to return the favor to that. At least it's not money involved, maybe somehow, but I will work hard for that. So yeah, maybe my dreams kind of disturb me a lot, but it's me to serve people, so I need to pay my own debt for them. Because when the time comes, it's already done. Now I can do everything for myself, like travel around the world and make myself fix up. I look very messed up, and fine. And I just need to find like I don't know a purpose, like a big role. Maybe I want to be somewhat of a billionaire somehow, but well, I really reached that billionaire with a purpose to serve. Yeah, I kind of want that. Because when the time when I want peace, this I've served everything right. Well, well, maybe that's it. I will try to document it every day. It's kind of hard, but we'll get through it. Peace.